everyone, today I will explain you word problem with adding and subtracting fractions. In this case, remember to solve adding and subtracting fraction with online denominator, we use the happy face method, or it's say cross multiplication and smile, and we use the butterfly. If you don't know what is this method, you can see the video in the description. Now, in this case, I'm going to explain you how to solve word problems with fractions. In this case, we have two lions, Fluffy and Fireball, met at the zoo. Fluffy's tails eats 4/3 of meters long. Fireball's tails eats 5/4 of meter long. How much longer is Fluffy's tails than Fireball's tails? In this case, we are going to find the quantity of longer that it's one to the other one. In this case, we need to do Fluffy's tails than Fireball's tails. So how we're going to do it's how much longer. So that means that we are going to subtract them. In this case, we have the data. In the data, it's so important to copy the information. In this case, we are going to copy Fluffy's tails, that is this one, and Fireball's tails, that is 5/4, that is this one. So in Fluffy's tails, we have 4/3. So we are going to copy here 4/3. Minus, because it's Fluffy's tails is first one, then Fireball's tail. So now minus 5/4. Then we are going to use the happy face method to simplify or to solve this subtraction. 4 times 4, 3 times 5, and 3 times 4. So this one is going to be like that. So equal. Remember, we are going to do the cross multiplication. 4 times 4 is 16. We copy minus because it's a subtraction. 3 times 5, that is 15. And 3 times 4, it's going to be 12. Then you will have the subtraction, and it's going to be, if you solve it this one, you're going to have 16 minus 15, it's 1. And we copy the number 12. Remember, cross multiplication and smile. Cross multiplication and smile. We multiply. Now, in our answer, we can write this answer. Fluffy's tails is 1/12 meters long. Okay? And this is our answer in this word problem. It's important, remember, to copy the data. In the plan, we are going to solve the word problem, but this one is not specific the answer for the question. The question is going to be as a word phrase. Okay, now the second example we have, it's about Children's Day. In Children's Day, Priska and Oscar bought a pizza. Oscar ate 3/8 and Priska ate 2/8 part of the pizza. How many slices of pizza they ate? So in this case, we're going to have our data. We're going to write Priska. No, Oscar is the first one. Oscar ate 3/8. 3/8. And Priska ate 2/8. 2/8. So in our plan, we are going to do, in this one, it's the question it's asking how many slices of pizza they ate. So in this case, we are going to use addition. So it's going to be 3/8, that was Oscar, plus Priska, that was 2/8. Then we are going to use cross multiplication and smile to solve this one. 8 times 3, 8 times 2, and 8 times 8. So it's going to be equal 3 times 8 is 24, plus 8 times 2 is equals to 16, and 8 times 8 is equals to 64. So we already have the addition, and now we are going to add these two numbers. So we're going to have 24 plus 60, it's 40 over 64. It's important that you have to know that we need to simplify this fraction. So we are going to divide both by 2, 20 over 32. And if you want to continue, and you need to continue because at the end we need to find the quantity of pizza that they ate. So it's going to be 20, we have 10 over 16. Then if you continue simplifying, you're gonna have 5 over 8. So, and with this one, you cannot continue simplifying. So we are going to have this, it's our answer. So Priska and Oscar ate 5 over 8 of pizza. So we are going to write they ate 5 over 8 of pizza. Okay? And we already finished with this one. Now, in the last one, we have Heidi grew her hair out of many years. Her hair was 4 over 3 of a meters long. She donated her hair by cutting off. This is an important word because this one means subtracting 5 over 6 of a meter. So first in our data, we are going to write what was the beginning of her, what the first fraction that is going to be her was 4 over 3, okay, of meters long. I'm gonna read meters here. And then she donate, cutting off means subtracting 5 over 6, okay, meters. And then in the plan, we're going to have, at the beginning was 4 over 3 minus 5 over 6. Okay, now the question is, how long is Heidi's hair now? So we are going to solve this operation using cross multiplication and a smile. But in this case, I'm going to use the butterfly. 4 times 6, that is going to be, remember, 24. And 3 times 5, that is going to be 15. And then 3 times 6. Remember, we can copy the number here and the number here. But in this case, I'm going to do it down. 4 times 6 is going to be 24. Plus, minus in this case, 3 times 5, it's 15. And 3 times 6 is going to be 18. Then we add them, 24 minus 15, we're going to have 9 over 18. We need to simplify that because it's dividing both by 3. So 24 minus 15, it's 9. And now we have 18, right? But we have a problem. Yes, it's okay. So 9 over 18, we cannot simplify by 2, but we can simplify by 3. It's going to be 3 over 6. And this one, you can continue dividing by 3, both numbers. 3 divided by 3, it's 1. And 6 divided by 3, it's 2. So at the end, we're going to have this value that is going to be 1/2. Now, we are going to write the answer. Heidi's hair is 1/2 meters long. Okay, and this is basically the idea. Remember, you have to identify the specific word that tells us what operation are we going to use, adding or subtracting. In this case, we have cutting off means subtracting. In this case, they ate means together, so we are going to use addition. And in this case, it's asking for how much longer. So longer, how much longer, one to other one means subtracting. And remember to use cross multiplication and a smile.